What's going on, everybody? Here we are, it's another week at the Home Theater Hobbyist, and this week we have another unboxing for you. It's a subwoofer from Klipsch. It's the SPL-100, so let's get to it. First of all, if you're new to the channel, welcome. On this channel, you'll find things like product reviews, comparisons, unboxings, and things of that nature. Basically, all things home theater related. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime we upload new content. This is the SPL-100 from Klipsch. It was sent to us for review from Worldwide Stereo. If you're not familiar with Worldwide Stereo, they have been in business since 1979, and they are the real deal when it comes to home theater. They have brands like Sony, Samsung, LG, Klipsch, Yamaha, Denon, and many others. So if you look in the description below, you can click that link and you can find out more about what they have to offer, including their showrooms if you are in the Philadelphia area. So go check them out. I am really excited to open this box. It's the latest subwoofer, or one of the latest subwoofers from Klipsch, and it is a 10-inch front firing subwoofer. It even says that along the top of the box, and it has clips on the bottom and a picture of a subwoofer on the box. So if you're worried about somebody stealing your packages from your porch, you want to make sure that you are at home when they deliver this, or you have one of your neighbors pick it up. But otherwise, it is what you expect from a box. It's fairly big. It weighs, it says here, about 45 pounds, but I was able to carry it up the stairs without any help. I was able to do it unassisted, all on my own. So as long as you can carry 45 pounds, you should be able to bring it up yourself. Overall, the box looks to be in pretty good shape. There is a dent back here on the back, and I assume that is due to shipping. But enough about this particular box. Let's get this bad boy open and find out exactly how Klipsch is packing their subwoofers. Box cutter. Ah, yeah. Okay, so right now we have something that just says Klipsch right there. So it says Klipsch and it's taped on the back. Oh, pretty, pretty. This, my friends, is the grill. Nice little grill. It's got holes in each of the corners, so I guess there are some prongs on the front of the subwoofer, but I can see through it. It's pretty nice. It has clips on the top. Styrofoam. And that's the box there. I'm gonna put this on the floor to take it out, just because, I mean, it's pretty big and, you know, it's easier to take out if it's on the floor. So here's the subwoofer, and in the bottom of the box, we have the book, and we have the power cable. Ta-da! There's that copper that Klipsch is known for, and I guess these are the hole, or the places where you put the grill. They protrude out pretty far, so I think you'd want to put the grill on this one, even though copper does look pretty good. That rubber feels nice and solid. It's got a front firing port there. Kind of has a black ash surface finish. And there's the rear with all of your controls, your power switch up here, and your power plug there. The SPL-100 has a frequency response from 27 Hz to 125 Hz. It has a height of just under 17 inches, a width of 14 inches, and a depth just over 17 inches. It weighs 37 pounds. The Class D amplifier outputs 200 watts of power RMS and 450 watts of power peak. This subwoofer also features the same ceramic metallic woofer design that's found in the Reference Premier series of speakers. So there you have it, the SPL-100 from Klipsch. I will be listening to this and breaking it in over the next few days, so expect to see my full review in about a week. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, click on that link to find out more about Worldwide Stereo. We'll talk to you next time.